All right, so here's another problem that a lot of people were struggling with. So I didn't write the words up here, but this is just the table. I'll read the problem. It says the music club is selling tickets for an upcoming performance. They are also accepting donations. The table below shows the ticket sales and donations from the past 2 weeks. In each expression, T represents the price of a ticket to the show. Write an expression in simplified form that represents the total donations and proceeds from ticket sales over the 2-week period. So this is going back to adding our linear expressions. They've already set the problem up. Generally what we're doing, guys, is we're just combining our like terms. That's it. So we're going to look at the first week, and we have 23T plus 50. They gave us that, okay? Go ahead and put that in parentheses. And then they want to know what the total amount was between the 2 days, between week 1 and week 2. So if we're trying to get a total of something, that means we're going to be adding. And we're going to go ahead and put the information here, 17T plus 35. That's week 2, okay? So that means we're adding that together. So we have 23T. We're gonna look at our like term, which is 17T, okay? Plus 50, and then we're adding to that 35, okay? So if we look at our like terms here, we have whole numbers. So we're gonna circle our signs because they're both positive. We're gonna add. So that will give us 85, and it's gonna be a positive 85 because the signs are the same. Additionally, we're going to add 23 and 17. First, you got to bring down your T because that's going to remain a variable. And then we're going to add this together, and you have 40T plus 85. So that's the actual expression. That's the answer or the expression that would show how many tickets and what their income was for the 2 weeks. Now, let's say, for instance, they tell us that each ticket, so T equals $5, okay? T equals 5. This is where the kids are getting confused. So when we have T equals 5, that's telling me that now this variable that's holding this place that I didn't know what it was worth, now I know it's worth 5. So all I'm going to do is take this 5 and I'm going to substitute or replace that T with what the actual value is, which is 5. So if I look at the problem, it reads 40 times T, because there's no sign in between, which means we're multiplying, 40 times T plus 85. So so what I'm doing is 40 times 5 plus 85. And this is what's going to give me the total amount that they're going to make. Now, if I do 40 times 5, I get 200. And some kids are getting to this point, but they're forgetting the amount, the donation amount. You cannot forget that because that's included in the amount. So 200 plus the 85, the total that they made for the whole 2 weeks would be $285. That would have been the answer if T equaled 5.